Hello dear students, welcome to ECE Academy Benefactor. In this class I will be explaining about NOR gate as an universal gate. NOR gate as an universal gate. Why NOR gate is an universal gate? Because NOR gate can be used to design NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate, or even NAND gate can also be designed using NOR gate. So what is NOR doing? NOR function. What is NOR function? Y is equal to A plus B the whole bar. NOR function, NOR gate. This is a NOR gate symbol. So this NOR gate can be used to implement AND gate, NOT gate, OR gate. These are known as basic gates or basic functions. It can also be used to implement NAND gate. So you know there are two universal gates, NAND gate and NOR gate. So let us see how NOR gate can be used as a NOT gate. The other name of NOT function or NOT gate is inverter. The symbol of NOT gate is this one. If the input is X, the output will be X bar, the complement of it. If the input is 0, output will be 1. If the input is 1, the output will be 0. The complement of the input is known as NOT gate or inverter. So how the NOT gate can be designed? Using NOR gate. So you know NOR gate symbol, and so I will draw it directly. NOR gate. This is NOR gate. When the NOR gate two terminals are attached and made a single terminal, it forms a NOT gate. So this NOR is now used as a NOT gate. So let us say this terminal is A and this terminal is B. The input be X, the output is Y. So what is the function? If the inputs are A and B, it will be X. NOR expression is A plus B the whole bar. When they are connected together, what we are getting? X plus X, I will write again, is equal to X plus X the whole bar. X plus X is equal to X, so it will come as X bar. So what is the input? Input is X, so what you are getting? X bar. So it is becoming the complement. So when you are giving input as X to the NOR gate, the output is coming as X bar. So what it is working now? As a NOT gate, NOT function. If we want to explain it using a truth table, we can have the truth table. Here the input variables are A and B. A, B. When there are two variables, we can have four possible combinations: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. The output here is Y. Y is equal to A plus B the whole bar. So what it will come? For 0, 0, it will come as 1. 0, 1, it will come as 0. 1, 0, the output is 0. 1, 1, the output is 1. Output 1 plus 1 is 1, so complement is 0. Okay. So this is the truth table of the NOR gate. It is a complement of OR gate. 0 plus 1 is 1, its complement is 0. 1 plus 0 output in OR gate is 1, its complement is 0. 1 plus 1 in OR gate is 1, its complement is 0. This is a NOR gate truth table. So when both are combined, now you are giving 0, 0. So what is the output? You are getting as x is equal to 0. So when x is 0, both a and b are getting 0 0. So what is the output? As 1. So when the input is 0, the output is coming as 1. When the input is 0, the output of this gate is 1. When the input x is 1, when you are giving input as 1, it is going to a and b 1 1. So what is the output you are getting? 0. So when the input is 1, the output is coming as 0. So this proves that the NOR gate can be used as a NOT gate or a NOT gate function. Let us see the next gate, that is OR gate. The second gate is OR gate. OR gate or OR function. The symbol of OR gate is this one. The input variables are a and b, the output is y. The expression for OR gate is a plus b. What is the gate available with us now? The gate available is NOR gate, and we want this NOR gate to be used as an OR gate. What you can do? So here the input is a and b, the output is y. The expression coming is a plus b the whole bar. This is a NOR gate. So to get OR gate, from it what you will do? We have to put one more inverter before it. That is a NOT gate. So to this NOR gate, you are placing one NOT gate. So this bubble get cancelled by this NOT gate. So here the inputs are a and b. So what you will get here? A plus b the whole bar. Okay. So a plus b the whole bar, when passed through a NOT gate, what it gives? A plus b. So what is a plus b? It is an OR gate. So from NOR gate we can get an OR gate by putting an inverter before it. So how can we do it? So place a NOR gate, input terminals are a and b, before it a NOT gate, but that NOT gate should be how? It should be used NOR gate. So connect both the terminals of NOR gate. When both the terminals of NOR gate are connected, it becomes a NOT gate. So NOR gate with a NOT gate gets OR gate. Y is equal to a plus b. Okay. So in this way, from NOR gate you can design an OR gate. So how can you prove it using a truth table? So input here is a and b. When you are having two input variables, the four possible combinations are, when there are two input variables, four possible combinations. They are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. We want to get OR gate. So OR gate expression is a plus b. Okay. So for a plus b, for 0 0, OR gate is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 1. This is an OR gate. This is OR gate, truth table. So let us prove this truth table. Is it coming an OR gate or not? So we are having input variables a and b. So four possible combinations: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. So here the expression is a plus b the whole bar. So we want to write a plus b the whole bar here. That is the complement of OR gate. So you will get, this is OR gate and we want to get the complement, so it will be 1 0 0 0. Okay, so a plus b the whole bar. Now you are giving it to an inverter, so it becomes a plus b. So a plus b double bar. Double bar means you have to again once again complement it. So 1 complement is 0, 0 complement is 1, 0 complement 1, 0 complement 1. So in this way we can observe that these truth tables are similar. That is the OR gate and this one, both the truth tables are similar. So we can design an OR gate using NOR gate by placing a NOT gate before it. Okay. So next gate is AND gate, AND function or AND gate. How the AND gate looks? It is a, let us say it is having a two inputs A and B, the output is Y, so it is A dot B. Okay. So this AND gate we have to design using a NOR gate. How it can be? Suppose let us go with the expression now, Y is equal to A dot B. Let us put two bars to it. A double bar is equal to A dot B double bar, B double bar is equal to B. So by De Morgan's theorem it is A bar plus B bar. Okay, by De Morgan's theorem you can write this expression as A bar plus B bar. So what you want? A bar you want. You can get A bar by a NOT gate. This is A and you can get here A bar. Now B bar, you want to get B bar. So give B to a NOT gate. B to a NOT gate, so it becomes B bar. Now A bar, B bar, what they are done? They are given to a NOR gate. They are given to a NOR gate. So what is the expression you are going to get here? Y is equal to A bar plus B bar the whole bar. What is this equal to? It will be equal to A dot B, which is an expression of a AND gate. So what we can do now? We have to replace this NOT gate by a NOR gate. So when both the terminals of the NOR gate are connected together, it becomes a NOT gate. Okay. So like this. So you will get A bar from the above terminal and B bar from here. So A, B, we are getting here A bar and here B bar, and then give it to a NOR gate. So you are getting here A bar plus B bar the whole bar, which is equal to A dot B. So this diagram is an AND gate or AND gate function, AND function. Okay, so we can design an AND gate using NOR function in this way. Let us now design the fourth function, NAND function. NAND gate. What is NAND gate symbol? A bubble before an AND gate. Let the inputs be A and B. The output means A dot B is AND gate and a bubble means a complement of it. So here already we have designed a AND gate. So before this, if I place a NOT gate, it becomes a NAND gate. So we can easily draw it. So this is up to here it is clear, it is an AND gate. So I will draw first AND gate. A, it will come as A bar, and then B, B bar, and then given to a NOR gate. So here we will get A bar plus B bar the whole bar, and then finally giving it to a NOT gate. NOT gate means again a joint or combined input terminals of the NOR gate. So here we will get A dot B the whole bar. Okay, so what it will come actually here? A bar plus B bar the whole bar 2 times. Okay, so let me simplify it, or else why we want to get A dot B the whole bar. So what we can do to it? Apply De Morgan's theorem to it. it will become A bar plus B bar, and then apply double complement to it, A bar plus B bar. Okay. So here we can get A dot B the whole bar, like this. So in this way we can design AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate and NAND gate using NOR gate. Let me quickly summarize what we have done in this class. NOR gate, this is a NOR gate. Okay. So this NOR gate we are using it for NOT gate. What we have to do, simply join both the terminals of NOR gate. So it will be, this is NOR, this is NOT. If you want to use it as a OR gate, before this NOR gate place one NOT gate, A, B, Y, X, Y, A, B, Y. This is an OR gate. NAND gate, A bar, B bar and then giving it to NOR gate. This is A and this is B. So it is used for AND gate. Okay, so NOR gate is used as a NOT gate, OR gate and AND gate. And from this you can design NAND gate also by placing one more inverter before it. So how it will be? It will be clumsy here, so I am drawing it here. So first A bar we want to get, that is coming by this one, A bar, B bar and then give it to a NOR gate and then give it to again to a NOT gate to get A dot B the whole bar. Okay. So this is NAND gate. So in this way we can design NOT, OR, AND and NAND gate using NOR gate. So NOR gate is an universal gate. Thank you. I hope you have understood the class. If you have any queries, you can post in the comment section. Good luck, students.